Good morning. My name is Ben Graves. I'm with Air Hydropower. I'm the pneumatic product specialist. I work with mainly pneumatics, but we also get into electric actuators as well. Today I have Anthony Gillespie from SCHUNK with me, and he's going to show us their machine tending bundle.
Thanks, Ben. So today I've got the machine tending bundle here. It's available in a single or dual gripper configuration. The valve block has a certified UR cap. This is the 5-valve version, 2 running each gripper. It's got an integrated air blow off for cleaning parts. So the unique thing is we're controlling 2 grippers with a single cable and air line. It also has two position sensors for positioning of the grippers. Those are both taught via the teach pendant, so there's no adjusting the sensors out here on the grippers whatsoever. We've got the UZB finger mounts that are adjustable for adding more versatility and more stroke to the package, and the robot connection kit will bolt right to the UR's wrist. And for application specific fingers, be sure to check out our FGR finger configurator. So these were designed and manufactured right from SCHUNK'S website. So be sure to check that out as well. Thanks.
Thank you, Anthony. We will be sure to check out your website. Thanks again for your time.
Appreciate it.
Bye-bye.